In this video, we're going to show you how to replace Google Background with your custom picture. Let's begin. So to do this, open Google Chrome on your PC or Mac. Click on the Customize Chrome button or the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. Know what to do if the Customize Chrome button doesn't show up. Then click on Change Theme. Select Upload an image on the appearing screen. Select the image you want to set as the background picture. Here's how the Google page will look after you have applied a custom picture to the Google background. Please note that changing the background picture of the Google page will also change the tab color of the Chrome browser. To use a different color scheme for the Chrome browser, select the preferred color from the list of colors that appear when you click the Customize Chrome button. Lastly, if you want to remove the background picture, just navigate to Customize Chrome and then click on Change Theme. Select the option Default Chrome. That's it! You have successfully removed the picture from your Google background. We hope this video helped you learn something new. For more tech tips and tricks on Google or Google Chrome, subscribe to Guiding Tech. And don't forget to check out these awesome videos curated for you.